It is June 20th, 2023. On June 1st, at the start of this month, TRKA stock Troika Media went through a reversed stock split. This is a 25-to-1 reverse stock split. If you don't understand what a reverse stock split is, let me explain. A reverse stock split is when a stock consolidates, okay? So if you own 100 shares of TRKA, after a reverse stock split, you will only own 4 shares because every 25 shares of TRKA that you owned previously will be consolidated into a single share. So that's what a reverse stock split is. A lot of traders think that a stock price goes up when a reverse stock split occurs, but this is not necessarily the case. A reverse stock split can result in an increase or decrease based on the way that investors view the reverse stock split. Usually, a reverse stock split is a bad thing because if a stock has to consolidate, that usually means that it has to consolidate in order to meet NASDAQ listing requirements. If a stock is doing so poorly that it has to reverse stock split in order to meet the NASDAQ listing requirements, then it's in bad shape, right? No company that's a good company needs to consolidate their shares in order to meet listing requirements. And so TRKA, after the reverse stock split, actually started to fare even worse. Let's take a look at the chart. There's this really toxic way of looking at the stock market that traders will tell you because they don't really care about you. And that is, it's not a real loss until you sell. It's not a real loss until you sell. They'll say this over and over and over again, and I really hope you don't believe it, because stocks like TRKA are the perfect example of it is a real loss, and in fact, the loss is going to get worse and worse unless you cut your losses. So TRKA went from a high of $24 all the way down to where it is right now, which is $2.50. So anyone who purchased this stock is down about 85% on their position, and chances are they will never get their money back. You will never get your money back on TRKA, and it brings me no joy to say that. However, hopefully you can learn something from this experience, and what I want you to learn is it is a real loss. It is a real loss, and there are good stocks and there are bad stocks, and when stocks are not going in the right direction, you should get out and cut your losses, regardless of the fact that it's a loss or that you're wrong or that someone else is wrong. I need you to stop losing money. The whole reason I created this channel is to prevent traders from losing money in the stock market. Way too many traders lose money. It's time to reverse that trend. With TRKA, once the stock started to go down, once it started to dump, we had to get out of this thing. In fact, I predicted that the stock would dump before it dumped, and you can watch that video right here. We are currently looking at the daily chart for TRKA stock. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Coach Koda. I've been day trading for 11 years, and I've called 135 short squeezes, including most recently the short squeeze on FNGR and RIDE, which you can find in this video right here. TRKA stock is a stock which I asked all of my traders to sell back when it was trading at $22. Now I say $22 because the 25-to-1 reverse stock split actually is $25 on the stock chart. We're looking at the daily chart for TRKA right now. You can see how TRKA almost went to $25. The high is actually $24, and that's because of the reverse stock split. So if TRKA was pre-reverse stock split, so before the reverse stock split happened at the start of this month in June, TRKA would have been to almost $1. However, because a reverse stock split take place, as you know, it's a 25-to-1 reverse stock split, which means that TRKA now has a high of about $24 instead of 99 cents. So this is how you view the reverse stock split and how it's going to change the chart, because when a reverse stock split takes place, it doesn't just change the chart in terms of going forward, but it actually changes the stock history of the chart as well. So the TRKA reverse stock split has led TRKA to go from a high of about $1 to a high of about $24, okay, at least looking over the past 6 months. So TRKA stock, this is where I warn traders not to buy into TRKA and to sell their TRKA. And soon after TRKA really started to dump, right? The stock went from $24 all the way down to, as you can see right here, about $6. Okay, so from $24 to $6. So it got a 75% haircut, and a 75% decrease in stocks means that traders would lose $7,500 if they invest $10,000 into TRKA. And if they invested $100,000 into TRKA, they would lose $75,000 in just a matter of a few days. This is why I've been so adamant about protecting traders from losses. In fact, this entire channel is devoted to helping traders stop losing money in the stock market. I don't want any traders losing money in the stock market who watch this video or who subscribe to this channel, because TRKA was a strong sell for me when it was $24. And any trader who held on thinking that the stock would come back up to $24, they're in some pretty deep trouble right now. After the reverse stock split, the TRKA stock has gotten even worse. So initially, TRKA rallied from about $2.50 to about $4, but as you can see, that level did not hold, and TRKA is all the way back down to about $2.42. Now, at the $2.42 level, it is possible that TRKA can continue to can go through a small relief rally. Do I see TRKA going up to $24? No. Am I going to consider TRKA a call out? No. But TRKA can start to come back up from the $2.50 level. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my free trade alerts, click the link in the description. TRKA is just one of the many stocks which I have protected traders from and prevented them from losing money on. I go over trades like this all the time, where I not only warn traders about stock dumps, but I also call out short squeezes before they happen. If you have not been making money consistently in the stock market yet, then click the link in the description. Enter your telephone number. I'm not going to spam you. This is not going to be a number sent out to anybody but me. But I will send you my trades. Literally, I will text you my trades, and I will give you a phone call and figure out what you need to do in order to become a profitable trader. It's 100% free, and it's a $500 value. So don't miss out on this. Click on the link in the description. TRKA, at its current price level, can go through a small relief rally from $2.50 to about $2.80 over the next 5 trading days. But I'm not expecting this to happen, and I'm not willing to take the risk and buying TRKA because of the chart dynamic. Now, the chart dynamic on TRKA right now is bearish. With a bearish chart dynamic, we're looking at TRKA being more likely to go down than up. This is completely different from the dynamic of the last callouts that I did for my traders. And like SPCE, I called out SPCE when SPCE was just $4.70, and the stock rallied in one day to $6. So in a single day, SPCE went from $4.70 to $6, which is a 25% increase, or $2,500 profit in one day if you purchase this stock when I notified my Discord group. Again, if you want my trades, all you have to do is click the link in the description and enter some basic information, and I will start sending you my trades and making you money. If you make money off of my free trades, then you have the opportunity to sign up for my mentorship program, which is a paid program. But I only want you to join if I'm able to help you make money up front and fix some of the common issues that you may be facing as a day trader that are preventing you from making money in the stock market and are losing you money consistently. I want you to fix that and bring you to the other side, which is profitability. BTBT was the other stock that I called out on my Discord group, and BTBT, as you can see right here, I called it out, and BTBT rallied from $3.40 all the way to a high of $3.97. So that's another 15% increase. So SPCE and BTBT make you 40% in one day, right? 25% and 15%. Meanwhile, TRKA continues to downtrend. This also shows the main thing that I try to get across traders is it's not so much about what kind of stock can you buy, which is the cheapest stock or is the most hyped stock. It's about what stock can you buy that is high quality. I do my best to provide you with the highest quality stocks on this channel, which is why I've called out FNGR on this channel. I've called out RIDE on this channel, and those stocks alone have went up a combined 75% in just one trading day right after I called them out. So if you're looking to build your portfolio more and become a profitable day trader, then click the link below. There's a number there where you can, it's a form, and you can enter your number and I will call you directly. I will actually call you, the person who you are listening to right now, who's been helping you save money and make money in the stock market, will give you a quick phone call so that you can start, again, becoming profitable, getting that missing piece of the puzzle, and getting the financial freedom which you know that you can get through stock trading, but you just haven't been able to get it yet. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure to check out this video that I made on TRKA where I was first predicting that the stock would crash. It's very important that you watch this video so that you understand when your stocks may crash so that you can get out before they crash. Have an amazing rest of your day and see you next time.